YouTube channel. My name is Gasuku Benito. If you're seeing me for the first very time, kindly subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave a sweet comment and tap that bell for you to be notified wherever I post my videos. My name is Gasuku Benito. To my returning subscribers, you already know how we do it, man. Glad to tell you that I'm coming live from the village. Yeah, from the background here, you can see, and it can tell that I'm inside the village, guys. I'm here with my father's sheeps. These are sheeps. If you've not ever seen sheeps, these are sheeps. They are so afraid. I don't know why. They are so shy on camera. Leave alone that. So guys, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. If you're seeing me for the first very time, kindly tap that subscription button. I'm in the village. I always do a lot of village contents, very amazing vlogs. So this is the place you're supposed to be in. If you're watching and you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Yeah, so today I'm gonna show you a lot of things here in the village, a lot of projects, my mom's project. As you can see, as you can hear the sound from inside. We have got a lot of birds, hens. We got doves, the ducks, and we have two variety of ducks. Yeah, we have this one and we have this one, you know. Yeah, we have a lot of ducks and doves, hens, and I will show you how they usually grow from when they are small, and how my mother at least give them a good environment for them to grow, to become bigger, you know. Yeah, so get tuned, watch this video till end. Give this video a like. Let's get to even 20,000 likes, man. Enjoy. I think they are so hungry, like these chicks. They're so hungry. That's why they are running up towards me. You can see they're so hungry, guys. So they are waiting for my mom. I don't know. They've used to this time to eat this time, but my mom is not around home. She's at the garden up there. She have gone to plant some crops. You know, it's rainy season in the village, so they plant a lot of crops. So this is the project, and after they have been removed from the place I have already shown you, when they are young, after they have been hatched, you know the process. So my mother comes and put them here for them to grow. So these ones are small. Let me show you well. These ones are small. Here we have hen and a different type of breed. You see the other one there. Let me know in the comment section the name of this. Yeah, these are hen, and the other one I don't know the name, but let me know in the comment section the name. Yeah, so after they have been removed from there, so these are the small ones, the most small, after they have been removed from the first process I've already shown you. The next level is this, you see, so amazing. And now the other one is here. So these ones are big. Yeah, these ones are big, as you can see. They don't have food, that's why they are struggling like to come to me, you see, very big. So after here, they are now allowed to just go around the compound. I'll show you the big ones now. The hens ready to even when you visit us, we can slaughter one for you. They are very sweet meat, and the other ones you can sell. My mother usually sells to get money. Yeah, you know. So this is a good project, and it did cost a lot of money to start this because it's not that big, but so far so good. Can't complain. This is so nice. This is so nice to start. This one already boycott outside, man. It's very cheeky, very cheap. You see how they are growing, very healthy. They are so healthy, guys. Yeah, so I'll show you a video how we feed them, how we always feed them, and all that. So I'm waiting for my mom to come for us to feed them together. So get in. I'm just getting, because when I'll open this door here, they just get out, all of them. And you know, controlling these chicks so hard, like they will just run scatterly. You find the other one there, the other one, you can't find them now after they run outside. So let's get in in just like this, and it is in. Go in. Okay, it's back. Let me show the other one. Let me show you. So guys, these are the small ones. They are weeks old, like they have been hatched some weeks, and this is how they are. So here we have hen and another breed. I don't know the name, but let me know in the comment section the name of this other one. Let me show you for you to know what I'm talking about. Let me catch one. So here we have two breeds. You see? Don't know how I'll catch the camera. Let me put the camera well. So this one is a hen, a chick, and the other one different. This one is different from the chick. You see? Let me get it in first. Okay. So you see this one? This one is the chick. The chicken. Now, the small chick. You see? Yeah, so they are hatched with a hen, like when they are inside here, guys, they don't know that they are different. But when they grow up now, they know that they are not hens. You see? Now they separate themselves when they are big. So these the small ones, they're very, very small. You see, they are so innocent. So the hen is here. She don't want to believe that their chicks are now inside here, because my mother don't allow them to just walk by themselves to the hen, because the outside environment is not conducive. Like it's a rainy season in the village, so they can't be allowed to just stay by themselves. Yeah, so I think these small ones, they are so hungry. Let me find food for them. Yeah, these small ones are so hungry. You see, this one is sleeping here. Oh, it's not sleeping. It have been stuck the head here, guys. Oh, very sorry. Let me rescue her. Yeah, go back. Yeah, it had stuck the head there. So let me give these small ones food, because they seem to be so hungry. So hungry. So in here is where we store what we harvested from the shamba, the garden, you know. So this is the store in general. So here we have a lot of things, but for now we don't have maize sacks that we have harvested, because my mother, I think my mother sold them, because after we have harvested like maize from the garden, yeah, we don't stay with the maize for long, because you know with time they get spoiled. Yeah, so we sell them, because another season we'll harvest, because we always plant each season, because like for now, like right now, it's a rainy season, so people are planting. Just as I'm talking, my mother is at the garden. I don't know why she didn't call me to go assist her plant some maize, but it is what it is. So I'm trying to find for some food, because I came just yesterday in the village, so I don't know where she usually store the food for the chicks, because they're so hungry, guys. So this a banana, but I think this one just fell from the banana tree, because it's not like grown big. Yeah, it's still very, very small. Yeah, this one already ripened, but you see the color, you'll think that it's not ripened, like, but it's already ripened. Let me taste it. Let me taste this. So sweet. Me, I thought it have not grown big, but so sweet. So sweet. See, these are maize corns. Trying to find the maize. This one they can't eat because they are so small, like so small. They can't eat those ones. So to me, my mother is the only one who knows where the foodstuffs are. Me, I don't know. I must wait for her first to come and feed them. But I'll show you how we usually feed them. So that one will be on the next vlog. But they are so hungry. I'm feeling sorry for them, but let them wait. So guys, this is my home, man. This is where Benito calls home. Yeah, it's a very beautiful home in Kenya, Africa, Migori County, the village, you know. Yeah, and here in the village, you already know we have a lot of variety of crops in the garden, and we plant a lot. You know, in the village is where like raw materials, raw foods come from to go to the industries, like sweet potatoes, guavas, like cassavas, the chicks. You can see my mother here has a lot of chicks, chickens, doves. So here is a lot. Here is where the raw materials like come from to go to the industry to make things like biscuits. You know, biscuits are from sweet potatoes. And sweet potatoes, I'll show you where we've grown a lot of sweet potatoes in our shamba. So if you're new in this channel, kindly subscribe for you to be notified wherever I post my videos. And if you've liked this video, kindly give it a like for me to know that you've liked it. And if you've liked it again, leave a sweet comment, yeah, for me to get motivated. Yeah, keep watching. Yo bro, they're so cheeky, you know. You know the story of like these things here. They are so cheeky. You see, they are not even afraid of camera. So guys, thank you so much for always supporting me. Yeah, man. I don't know even what to say, but to always thank you, man, for the love and support. You know, your love and support mean a lot to me. I can't take the love and support for granted. Yeah. Keep watching me, keep supporting. You know, that's the only way of supporting this boy here, Benito from the village. And I'm forever grateful, guys. Yeah, man. So I'll be showing everything in our compound. So like this here are timbers, and they have been cut from trees, and the trees just around, you see, evergreen. Our village is evergreen. So this is the fence, and this fence here has got thorns. You can see these are thorns, so nobody can penetrate. Like even if there is a hole here, nobody can penetrate to come inside our place, our home. So our home is very secure. And let me show you how these chicks, now the big chicks, go around the compound, and why they don't get like outside the fence. And yet we use this type of fence because our chicks, hens, everything inside here, be it the sheep, they don't go out to go find food. Yeah, because we bring them food just inside here. So let me show you. So this is what I'm trying to say. You see, the chickens, the hens, they're just going around the compound without going outside. You can be surprised that have they trained them not to go out or what, but there is a particular fence, wire mesh inside the fence that don't allow them out. Let me show you where it is. It's just around here. It is just around here. Let me show you, let me show you, let me show you. And guys, I want you to tell me this, the name of this duck here. I want to tell me the name of this duck. Yeah, in English. What's the name of this in English? Yeah, in the comment section, I want to know. So, this is what makes them don't go outside, guys. We have a wire mesh here that we put it here for, it have been here for like, let me say, it was in the year 2019. So we are in 2025. So to mean it have been here for 6 years. It's now rusting. You see, this is the wire mesh. My mother bought it and we surrounded it inside the fence, like the whole compound. We've surrounded it in this whole compound. You see? Yeah. We've surrounded it, the whole compound for the chicks now to remain inside the compound. They don't go outside. And the chickens from the our neighbors, like village neighbors, they don't come inside our place because of this. So what belongs to us belongs to us. What belongs to them belongs to us, to them. So they don't penetrate to our place. You see, guys, so amazing. So guys, that's all. Yeah, so the next video, I think I'll show you how we feed them, we feed the chicks, and the way we give them water. We usually even treat them with a lot of medicine. There is a period, not every time, like injections, you know. We give them some injections. So I'll just show you all that. So for now, let me end this video here. And thank you so much for watching. My name is Benito Gasuku. Gasuku Benito, not Benito Gasuku. Start with Gasuku Benito. Yeah, my name is Gasuku Benito. And thank you so much, guys, for tuning in, for watching till end. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. You know you mean a lot. Coming to watch me, like, you watching me for the whole minutes, you know, you find a video is 20 minutes and you just stay. Yeah, you've seen me for the first time and you just, thank you guys, thank you so much. So let me end this video here. I know you've really enjoyed the vlog. Subscribe for the next video. Let's meet. Bye.